What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of f of x, and f of x is x to the power 5 times square root of x cubed plus 2, which is x to the power 5 times x cubed plus 2 to the power of 1 over 2, because as you know we can change square root to the power 1/2. Then we can use power rule, the product rule, and also the chain rule. So it's going to be u prime v plus u v prime, and on the other hand we have u to the power of n. When you find out derivative, is going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So that's going to be derivative of x to the power of 5 is 5x to the power of 4 times x cubed plus 2 to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of 5 times derivative of the second one, which is 1 over 2 times x cubed plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times 3x squared. 3x squared is the derivative of x cubed plus 2. So that's going to be 5x to the power of 4 times square root of x cubed plus 2 plus 3 over 2 times x to the power of 7 times 1 over square root of x cubed plus 2. Or we can write it as 5x to the power of 4 times square root of x cubed plus 2 plus 3x to the power of 7 over 2 root x cubed plus 2. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need some extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.